Hello everyone, welcome back to this new challenging video. So in this video I'm gonna try to solve this question in 20 minutes. So let's start the timer of 20 minutes. And this is the daily LEETCODE problem, and the problem is check if array is sorted and rotated. Okay, and you can believe me, I have never solved this question before. So given an array nums, return true if the array was originally sorted in non-decreasing order. Then rotated some number of positions including 0, otherwise return false. There may be duplicates in the original array. Note, an array A rotated by X position results in an array B on the same length such that Bi is equal to Ai plus X into individual for every valid index I. Let us let's try to understand the problem again. So we are given an array nums like this. We are given 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. Okay. And we have to return true and false. And the array was originally sorted in non-decreasing order, then rotated some number of positions. We have to find the array was originally sorted and rotated some number of positions. In this example, 1, 2, 3 with the original sorted array, you can rotate the array by 2 positions. That means we have to do left shift. Here rotating means doing left shifts. So to know that the array is rotated, that means we can perform multiple shifts, and if the array is shifted, then we can shift to n number of times, and then one will be the original. If anyone is originally become sorted, then we return true. I think we can do like that. So let us take the size of this nums array and after that we can rotate for n times. For n type barabar 0, 12 and then n, y plus plus, I will rotate for n times. But for the nth it will become the original, I think. 1 rotation, 2 rotation, 3 rotation, 4 rotation, 5. So we just have to do for second and last rotations. So no problem, I will do this rotation. Now I will rotate it for the first time, left shift. I will store the first element, that is the 0th element, and I will do a left shift. Okay, nums of j will be nums of j plus 1, and at the last nums of n minus 1 I will store the temp. This is the one left shift I have done. Now I have to check it's sorted. If it is sorted, this nums, then return true. And I have checked for all and nothing sorted, then I will return false. Now we just have to make the function of it sorted, that is the boolean type. Yeah, this will be that vector. Okay, now we have to check whether it is sorted or not. Sorted in non-decreasing order. I'll simply traverse till second last. Non-decreasing order means there should be no decrement, all increment. So if anyhow I get a nums of I that becomes less than answer y plus 1. That means there is a decrement, but as we know decreasing order, but it is not decreasing, so it will false. Otherwise I will return the true. I think I'm done now. Let me check. It's wrong. Yes, 3, 4, 5 and 2 written as false. How? As we are rotating the array, first I store this, then I do a left shift. In 0 I am storing 4, then time in 1 or 2, then the nums n minus 1, and at this position I am storing the temp, that is 3. When I check for is sorted, can we have the array over time? See out new sign with a small bracket under some debugging. So what happens is I have 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. Study out is 4, 5. So why there is 2 times 1 came? The array become this. The array should be array should not look like this. We have done a left shift here. Okay. Let me not do these things. Let me just do printing the array here. Something like this. I would like to have now space. So I got first 5, 1, 2, 3. Good. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 1. And then 3, 4, 5, 1, 2 again. So everything has no true returns, and then the false is this false is executing. Let me just hold it. Yes, but when the nums is gone here, and this time will go. Originally was in non-decreasing order, that means should be in increasing order. I am checking, then return false. No. Here the one small mistake. The variable is sorted in non-decreasing order. Because, but if you in non-decreasing, that means array can be increasing and equal. But if this happens, this will ensure that array is non-decreasing. All process. Here I can omit There's same statements. I'm try to submit it. It has passed the solutions. Okay. In 9 minutes, we passed 100%. But the problem, we are using too much for loops. Can you optimize the solution a little bit? Whenever we see something like rotated, sorted, rotated array, when we have to work in some rotated arrays, we think of doubling the array, like 2 times array always. So if we make another array that is the 2 copy of this thing, and if in there we got an array that is originally sorted or in increasing order, that can be our answer. Yes, this can be done. Like in the starting, I have this array, and I have this array, and then I will make another array. The different nums. Now I will traversing the nums again. I will push again all these elements. Now we have a two-sized array. Now the main idea. Now we have 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. We just have to check if there any n length increasing order thing. If we got the n length continuous increasing, so there is a count, and I will traverse in the array, newly created array. Okay, and try to check if the not go till last. That's it. I will slide my count with 1. Okay. So if array of I is less than or equal to array of I plus 1, that means array is sorted in non-decreasing order. Then we will do a count plus else. In else, if my count become n, that means we have got an array. Otherwise we will make the count as 1 again, something like 5, 1, not increasing, and here now the count is 1. We can do this like that, and finally at the end we will check once again that count is n, return true, otherwise return false. Let me check some mistakes. Let me try to some tip. Oh, I got wrong answer. What if there is a 111 output is forward expected? Is that true? How output is false? Array of I is less than equal to array of I plus 1. Yes, that count plus and then count becomes 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And if count is equal to 1, I'm returning true. That is again key. And why you are failing? Oh, sorry. I think we can compare like this. Greater than and also you want the correct answer. Waiting. Submitted. So finally we have submitted this question and done this question before 20 minutes. So the challenge completed successfully. Let's meet in another challenge next time. Thank you.